Confucius, 10 Quotes for Beginners. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. This quote by Confucius teaches us that when we want to achieve big things, we should begin with small and achievable steps, even though moving a mountain might seem impossible. By taking small actions over time, we can eventually succeed. It reminds us to stay determined and keep working hard, as even the most difficult goals can be achieved with steady and persistent effort. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This quote teaches us that every grand and challenging journey begins with taking the first step, no matter how small. It reminds us that to achieve significant accomplishments, we must start with determination and courage. As even the longest journeys are made up of individual steps, embracing this philosophy encourages us to take that initial step towards our goals and embark on a path that can lead to extraordinary achievements. Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. This quote means that if you find a job you are passionate about, it won't feel like work because you enjoy doing it. When you love what you do, work becomes fulfilling and enjoyable. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. This quote means that our true success and greatness are not measured by avoiding failures, but by getting back up and persevering every time we face setbacks. It highlights the importance of resilience and learning from our mistakes. When it is obvious that the goals cannot be reached, don't adjust the goals, adjust the action steps. This quote means that when you realize that achieving your goals might be difficult or impossible with your current approach, instead of giving up on the goals themselves, you should change the way you are working towards them. Focus on adjusting your action steps or strategies to find a new path toward success. It encourages adaptability and finding alternative ways to reach your aspirations. The more man meditates upon good thoughts, the better will be his world and the world at large. This quote teaches that when a person reflects and focuses on positive and virtuous thoughts, it not only improves their own world but also contributes to making the world a better place overall. The act of contemplating good and positive ideas can have a positive impact on the person's life and influence others and the broader community. It emphasizes the power of positive thinking and its potential to create a ripple effect of goodness and positivity in the world. Learning without thought is labor lost. Thought without learning is perilous. This quote means that simply memorizing or studying without understanding, and thoughtful reflection is a waste of effort. On the other hand, thinking deeply without gaining knowledge or learning can lead to dangerous and uninformed decisions. It highlights the importance of combining learning and thoughtful contemplation for meaningful growth and wise decision making. To see what is right and not do it is the worst cowardice. This quote conveys that knowing what is morally right but choosing not to act on it is the most cowardly behavior. It emphasizes the importance of having the courage to do what is right and just, even in challenging situations. It reminds us that true strength lies in standing up for our values and principles and taking action accordingly. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. This quote explains that the strongest warrior is not the one who conquers others in battle, but the one who can conquer their own inner struggles, weaknesses, and desires. It emphasizes the significance of self-discipline, self-mastery, and overcoming personal challenges as the ultimate display of strength and resilience. Respect yourself, and others will respect you. This quote conveys that if you have self-respect and hold yourself in high regard, others will be more likely to treat you with respect too. How you value and carry yourself influences how others perceive and interact with you. Building self-respect can foster positive relationships and mutual respect with others.